Hi to all you out there in real time. My name is Ezra. I have to act on my passion to sing, play some guitar to back myself up. Allow me to play at your club, cafe, restaurant, party to enhance your biz. And indoor, outdoor, it's cool. We'll all get together and have a good time. And here's a little smattering of what I can do. And I'll do a little of everything from the 50s to the present. Let's start off with a little bit from the king. Here we go. We know I can be found sitting home all alone. If you can't come around, please telephone. Well, don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't want no other lover. Oh, baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. It's all the pretty women out there. Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you, I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby, be mine tonight. Taste of Americana. A little ditty about Jack and Diane, two American kids growing up in the heartland. Jack gonna be a football star, Diane's in the combat seat of Jackie's car. Let's whip out some Coldplay. I hear Jerusalem bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name. Never an honest word, that was when I ruled the world. And we'll make sure we do plenty of Buffett. Love that cat. Can't you see him circling, honey? Can't you feel him swimming around? You got fins to the left, fins to the right. You're the only girl in town. And we'll make sure we supply you with plenty of Beatles. Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. Something in the way she woos me. I don't want to leave her now. You know I believe in how. I have hundreds, even thousands of songs stuck up in my head. I got all the right equipment, so dial me up and let's get this party started.